Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this purple and neon yellow set on my friend. So if you want to see how I did this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and let's just get right into the video. So these are her nails, and they lasted actually a month and a half. Look at how grown out they are. But as you can see, there was no lifting, so her nails did last quite a while. So usually I don't show the removal process in my videos, but I decided to show it in this video, or show some of it in this video today. So usually, firstly I just grab some nail clippers and I cut the nail extension down to where it almost meets her natural nail. So now I'm going to drill down the gel polish, and since it is a full cover tip, underneath the gel polish there's some, full cover tip still on her nail. So I just drill that down as well with just any coarse bit really that will get the job done. So I just drill down the gel polish and drill the full cover tip to just a little bit thinner so that it will soak off easier. But when you're doing this, you want to be careful so that you don't hurt whoever's nails you're doing, or if you're doing your own nails, because with drills like this it's really easy to hurt yourself. So right here you are seeing me drill the full cover tip. In no way, shape, or form am I drilling her natural nail. You do not want to drill the natural nail with this type of drill bit because you will damage it. So after drilling all of them and making them all as thin as possible, I just went ahead and soaked all of them in acetone to remove all of it, and I prepped her nails. And then here I'm just putting the full cover tips on. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do that, just leave a comment down below. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the nail down and file them and buff the surface to get it ready for gel polish. And for that base color, I'm going in with the Kiara Sky Gel Polish in the shade Only Natural. It's kind of just like this sheer nude, and I believe I did a couple coats of that on all the fingers. And for the pinky nail, I'm going in with the Macarte gel polish in shade Hex in the City, and this is one of their Diamond Crush gel polishes, so under a flash it's the glitters reflect and it looks really pretty. And don't forget, you can use code KCakes at checkout to get 15% off all Macarte products. And I am just pinning a couple coats of that on both pinky nails and curing in between each layer. And now I'm going in with the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 797, and it's just this really pretty frosty shimmery white color, and I'm just doing one coat of that on all of the nude nails. And you already know it's not a Nails by K-Cakes video if I don't at least drop one thing in the video. And if there's any nail ideas or any video ideas you guys would like to see, just go ahead and leave those suggestions down in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to get to those. Now I'm going to go in with the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 614, and that's that bright neon yellow color. And I'm just going in with that nail art detailing brush, and I'm kind of just doing kind of like it's kind of like a French tip, but not really. You basically just make the lines on the side and then make the bottom, like the tip of the nail, just straight, just like that. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but that is basically what I do for all of the nails. And for this neon yellow color, I believe I did 2 coats of it on each nail that I did that little French tip design on, because I don't think it was opaque enough to see with just 1 coat. Not me putting her hand down so that she can relax her hand. Every time I do someone's nails, they always tense up their hands, and it makes it so hard to do their nails, especially my mom. Every single time I do her nails, it's just such a struggle to fight with her to like relax her hands, because she always tenses them up, and it makes it so much so much more difficult to do the nails that way. Now I'm going in with the Macart Gel Polish in shade 9814, and this one is from their Mermaid Flare collection, and I actually used this color on the marble part of the purple set I have on. I actually made a video on how I did the mint green set. I'll go ahead and link that down below if you're interested in watching that. Go ahead and watch that after you're finished watching this video. So essentially I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the neon yellow. I'm just outlining the tip of the nail basically in this purple color. And actually originally all of the nails were supposed to be outlined with that purple color, and last minute she was like, should I do neon yellow too? And I was like, why not? I mean, I feel like it would look really good, and it ended up looking really cute, so. And as always, everything that I use in my videos will be linked down below in the description box. And for this purple color, I only did one coat because it was opaque enough for you to see it with just one coat. So I went ahead and just did that on each alternate nail. I think the purple and the neon yellow look so cute together, so I'm so glad she last minute decided that she wanted a little pop of color and put that neon yellow on there. I feel like in all of my videos, there's just one point in the video of me just getting further and further out of frame. And after I was done with that, I just went ahead and top coated all of the nails and cured it for 60 seconds and put cuticle oil on her cuticles, and that was the nail set done. This is how the nails turned out. I think they turned out so cute. I love the colors together and I love how shimmery this nail set is. If you guys like this video, if you guys like how this nail set turned out, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel down below. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.